Next is the lab form, which is the list. So the system will manage the menu, handle customers' orders, allow the user, cashier or admin to add and remove, sort. So dito sa menu list, mag-i-initialize ng menu. Use the code. Gagawa ka ng menu list, then yung bawat item naman ay nakalista ng may pangalan at presyo. So def display underscore menu yung function ng menu list. Then print menu for number, dish, and enumerate, name, ganyan. Then yung output niya naman is burger. Ito yung fixed price ng burger, fries, pasta, steak, tsaka iced tea. The next naman is yung step 2, add and insert menu items. So, dito, ditong step na to is gagamit tayo ng append and insert. So, yung user mag-add ng pizza, then makakapag-enter ng soup of the day sa index 1, then i-ask yung user na mag-input ng new dish, then i-add uli ito, then makikita dito yung updated menu. So, dito mo gagamitin yung append at insert. Magdadagdag ka ng food, mag-i-insert ka dun sa may gitna, tapos magpapadagdag ka pa ng item sa user. Menu.append pizza, then 200, menu.insert, tapos yung new underscore dish, new price, then menu.append new dish and new price. Then, ipiprint niya na added and inserted menu. Tapos, yung printed doon yung menu. Iko-call mo yung menu. Next naman is remove and yung pop. So, sa remove and pop, sa remove and pop, ipapractice kung paano mag-remove ng specific items, and yung pop naman to remove the last item. Then, magdi-display dito yung updated menu. So, dito sa code, i-remove natin. So, dito sa code, ni-remove dito yung price. Remove is equals to menu pop. Then, print, remove 0 from the menu. Print, updated menu. So, yung updated menu, i-display dito yung menu. Then, yung step na, yung number 4 naman is sort the menu by price using the menu.sort key, then reverse it sa most expensive mula sa pinaka-mahal, then using reverse, display the sorted and reverse list neatly. So, sort the menu list by price using a function, then reverse it to show the most expensive first. So, i-order mo yung menu mula pinakamura hanggang pinakamahal. Tapos, i-reverse mo para pinakamahal muna yung mauna. Then, dito ginagawa yung sorting key. So, print sorted menu, print menu, then ginamit dito yung menu.reverse, then ipiprint yung menu para mag-display siya. So, yung output dito is yung sorted menu, lowest to highest, then next naman is sorted menu from highest to lowest. Next step is combine with another menu. So, dito, you have a dessert list and you merge it into the main menu using extend. Parang gagamit ka ng extend para madagdagan nito ng yung dessert, another list ng dessert. Then, 7 naman, take customer's order. So, dito naman, parang cashier lang na magte-take ng order. Magta-type ka ng pagkain ng nasa menu, tapos add order. Kung wala, sasabihin unavailable. So, hihinto yung pag-type ng done. So, here's the code. While true, if order not found, ganyan. Next naman is yung bill summary. Dito lang yung may calculated bill ng mga price ng mga in-order mo. Yung code is total equals sum, dish in order, for dish in order, ganyan. Then yung last step naman is yung copy and clear. Parang magkakaroon ng make copy of full menu list. Then, gagawa ka ng duplicate menu, tapos i-clear mo yung original. So, makikita mo na walang laman yung isa, pero yung kinopya mo is kompleto pa rin. Then, thank you so much.